Wow, isn't this just beautiful?
If you want beauty, you should look at me instead.
It's so nice to have a reunion on episode 24, just like the original Final Four.
Yeah, it's so great to be back.
I'm fiery.
You're ugly. This is boring. Hey, Dream Girl, entertain me.
Ooh, well, I've been working on my revamped niceness chart. Ugh. This chart accurately measures likability in real time using state-of-the-art metrics measuring the nicest of all entities in this quadrant of the universe. The higher you are, the more likable you are, which means...
Why are you so high? Good thing I'm fiery and not nickel. Uh-oh.
Anyway, I know most people may not like me anymore, but don't let that deter you from my objective niceness.
Oh yeah, I wanted to ask, why does everyone hate you now? I heard it was something about Dream Island.
I always thought it was because of her hideous face, coupled with her foul breath that reeks of onion.
Oh, it's because she stole.
Stole the audience's hearts with my kind charisma. Gosh, our friends could get so jealous of my charm, huh?
So basically, after Fiery won Dream Island, Leafy apparently went ahead.
I think it's time for you to be excused from this picnic. Goodbye.
What the pollen are those? Tag! What? Bet you can't tag me, because I'm great at winning now.
Just let her have this one.
Oh yeah, our dead friends. Yay!
It's crazy how the HPRC can still function like that.
Can we just get to the cake at stake already?
Where are our hosts, anyway?
All right. Hey, house. Who wants to do the cake at stake? Ruby, wait. You guys don't want to host?
Nobody wants to host anymore! You guys killed my sisters last episode!
Well, what about you, GB? You guys are irresponsible and this game has lost all of its structure and form. No matter what I do, you all somehow manage— Okay, sir. Ice Cube? No! You? You? No! What about you, Flower? You smell. What about you?
What about you, FSB? You're literally built to be a host.
Oh, I kinda don't care anymore.
Of course you don't. You're a stupid, fiery failure.
Why do you care? You're already eliminated.
What?
Oh, you didn't know? You got 4th place. The flag challenge ended like half a year ago.
No! I wanted to win!
It is what it is, Coiny. Sometimes you try that again and I'll destroy you.
What about the show?
I guess with no host, BFDIA is canceled. Hooray! What? We're gonna cancel the season right at the end?
I guess that is part of the course in BFDIA endgames.
We worked so hard to get here! You can't just end it now!
Should have been nicer to your hosts.
So that's it? The game's just over?
I guess it's not so bad. Now neither of us can be eliminated.
Wait. Why don't we just be the hosts? We can host the cake at stake ourselves.
Oh yeah!
Aw, okay.
So what are we supposed to do as hosts?
Well, obviously, we should consult the Floraligium Annals recording the strange.
The what?
You don't know about the Floraligium? It's what all the hosts use to track their duties and record the vote counts.
Recording the strange? Who are the strange?
Viewers.
Oh, of course. So why have I never heard of this?
Have you just not been paying attention? It's been in like every single episode.
Let's give it a read. So this is where TV recorded Donut's tragic elimination, where he got 573 votes from the strange.
Wowie! But what are those?
According to the Floraligium, a cake at stake cannot commence unless it has 3 main components. 1, a reasonable cake, 2, the votes, and 3, the official ceremony where it can be announced.
How do you know this?
Who doesn't know about floraligiology, geography?
Whatever. There's so much history in this thing. But this episode's records are empty?
Duh. Our host just quit.
So who's gonna count the votes now?
I will. With 100 trillion dislikes, Needle is eliminated!
Hey! With 100 trillion and 1 dislikes, Tennis Ball is eliminated!
Hey, you guys can't fudge the votes. Erase!
With 2 quadrillion votes, Needle is...
Erase!
No,
Erase!
there are 60
Erase!
quadrillion
Erase!
votes.
Erase!
256 trillion votes, Needle is eliminated!
votes must be 100% accurate. No fudging allowed.
So how do we get the votes?
One of us will have to ask every strange in the universe who they voted for.
Not it.
Dang it. Well, there are still other duties to attend to. How about Needle can bake the cake?
Yum!
And TV can assemble the ceremony and announce the votes.
Oh, okay.
All right, we got this. Fist bump team. All right, let's get to vote counting. Hello, Strange. I'm here collecting votes.
I like Needle and dislike tennis ball.
Okay, like Needle, dislike TV. Okay, who did you vote for?
I gave a dislike to you.
Oh, well, I wasn't one of the options.
Wow, how rude. Sorry about him.
That's okay. Who do you want to vote for?
I'll give a like to you.
Wait, that's also not an option.
You idiots. The options were tennis ball and needle.
So what are your votes?
I'm gonna give them both a like.
This is taking too long. No wonder we have to wait months between each contest. Oh, I know. Hey, viewers, do you want to make a difference to BFDIA? Well, you guys can tell me yourself. Call the number on your screen to cast your vote. Or better yet, come on down to my ballot booth. Oh.
Careful. Remember, just a pinch.
Yo, Needle-O, are you caking? Ooh, let's help. Dump, dump, dump.
Only a beast from the east would use yeast for their feast.
Pin! I know what I'm doing, but you clearly don't because you got eliminated.
You obviously need our help. As the main character, I'm going to help you achieve victory.
I'm trying to win BFDIA all on my... Wait. Okay, you guys can help.
Yay! You won't need this anymore.
Yes! After all, if you win, then it's like the whole bunch wins.
Shush! Now get into this bag.
Why?
If I want to make the best cake ever, I'm gonna recruit all my friends to help.
Oh wait, you have other friends? Like, aside from us? Life is full of surprises.
All right, let's gather my friends. Nico's a buncher. Yellowface too. You guys as well. Fries, teamsies, and these guys. Sure, why not?
Ooh, I'm done. Hi, DB. I took your words to heart, and I've decided to host BFDIA to prevent cancellation. Aren't I being so heroic right now?
Get in the bag.
What am I doing wrong?
Come on, Flower. Everyone hates you. Everyone hates me. Let's hang out.
Wrong. I don't hate myself, so not everyone hates me. But it sure is a shame that you hate yourself.
Hi, Flower. You're a not nice villain that no one likes. How do I be less like you?
You're already the least flower-like person ever, which means you're ugly and stinky.
Did I hear you're looking for assistance on niceness?
Oh, Leafy, I wasn't meaning to talk to you.
Well, you are now. My super advanced niceness leaderboard updates every 5 seconds with state-of-the-art metrics measuring the niceness of all entities in this quadrant of the universe.
That looks dumb.
Oh, well, look now, it seems like your status is changing. Whoa, villain.
Whatever. I know I'm not a villain. I'm just doing whatever it takes to win Dream Island. Not like you would know anything about that.
You sure about that?
Huh?
You and I are the same tennis ball. We're misunderstood. We were the nice ones, but now everyone hates us. All because we wanted Dream Island. Isn't that so tragic? Isn't that horrifying? How did we, of all people, become the villains? But I realized, I'm not the villain. With my help and this chart, you can truly become heroic too. You and I understand each other as original squashy grapes, as power of 3 teammates, as the villains, and maybe even as the 2 runner-ups of BFDI.
Be quiet. Fine, we can hang out. Just no more of that.
Hooray!
So are y'all done casting your votes?
Yeah!
Awesome. Let's get to counting then. Let's see. Oh my word, how are we ever gonna count?
That's 2,763,000 votes.
I see. Well, let's get reading. This one says, wait, why does every vote say, bring me horrifying sludge?
Because that's what your booth asked.
Oh, I don't remember writing that, but I guess I'll do it. Wait, so all 2 million of you unanimously want me to bring horrifying sludge? Yeah! Okay,
So, are you gonna get that for us?
but the HPRC is 2,763 inches away, and... All right, fine.
Hi, Free Smarters.
surgery on a van. This better be important.
I need to bake a cake, but I need help.
I love cake!
And I love helping.
No, you don't, you big liar.
But hold it. What is that?
Oh, this is my bag of friends.
Other people.
Needle doesn't have any other friends besides us, right? So it must be empty.
Oh, that's true. Okay, Needle, get in the van. I'll take you to the perfect baking spot.
Are you sure? We're not done performing the surgery.
Surgeries are always best stopped halfway through.
Cake, 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 cake. Welcome to the Free-Smart Super Kitchen. Our high-end establishment offers all you need to cook and bake. And best of all, it's Free-Smart exclusive.
Oh, exclusive? Everyone back in the bag.
Oof. Okay, so I meant to be hosting this kick at steak ceremony. You know, making the arena and announcing the votes, that kind of stuff.
Ooh, that is such a great opportunity for niceness thing.
I don't think that's true.
No. Just think about it. If you end up hosting the greatest, grandest cake at steak ever, and I mean a cake at steak that fills everyone with excitement and cheer, then you'll totally be respected and popular again.
I guess you might be onto something. Okay, here's my kick at steak place.
Tisk. Listen, TV, I'm gonna level with you. This place may be the epitome of pure evil.
What?
I can't think of a more horrendous place to spend my time. Shabby seats, low-effort designs, and what's this? This fiber of wood could give someone an absolutely excruciating splinter. I'm giving this arena a D-. In order to host the most grand kick at steak, you need to have the most grand arena. I've all the supplies to give you a kick at steak full of glamour and pristine and beauty and pizzazz and brilliance and dazzle and excitement and valor and glory and grandeur and soul and vibes and respect and cuteness and ugliness and smiles and frowns and mountains of fun. Hello, Bug.
Hi, Bubble. Hi, Ugly. Hi, Flower.
You know, out of the 3 finalists, I hope you win.
Really? Thanks. Why me?
Because, well, Tennis Ball is just too smart, and Needle is way too strong. That makes you the underdog, because you're not good at anything.
Oh.
But you know, even if you get 3rd place, that ain't so bad. 3rd placers are the most beautiful.
But I've got immunity into the final 2. I can't get 3rd.
Then I guess you're not.
Oop, there she is. Can you help me carry this to the strange?
You're okay.
You guys wanted it?
You got it.
Yeah! What did you guys even want the sludge for, anyway?
Sludge fight!
This can't go well.
Don't worry, Bug. I think it's okay to have a little fun, as long as it doesn't pop me. Which it didn't.
So, how is everyone?
Why aren't they here? Where am I?
There's too many people.
Yo, can someone get this lava off of me?
This place smells like BO, which stands for Books Open Mouth That Reeks of Garlic.
Let's not argue, guys.
Don't diss my teamie!
Coiny, bazooka her!
What?
I'll kill her myself!
Don't care.
Calm down, everyone.
For trying to assassinate my beloved ally, Pin shall receive the manglement penalty. Mangle machine, begin mangling.
Everybody stop! Listen, I realize now that no one here is Needle's closest friend.
Yeah? And?
Oh, that's it. I just realized that fact.
Oh.
Wait, guys. Needle might not be anyone's best friend, but she's also not anyone's worst enemy. And she was everyone's teammate at some point in the game, except Donut. And she's contributed to at least one victory for everyone here. We may all have our quarrels with one another, but surely we can unite this one time for Needle, our friend and teammate. So let's help her win this contest and bake that cake.
Oh, this isn't a contest. I just needed a cake.
Oh, then why are we helping you? You! Looks like it's about done.
Why are you saying that like you helped at all? All you've been doing is driving the thing in circles.
It's a pictogram showing your beautiful circular figure.
Anyway, I'm done with this cake at steak place.
Wow, I'd have to say.
That place is looking so good!
Thanks for the input, Bracelety, but I was talking. You lose points. Anyway, this is looking quite nice.
Maybe you were right. I do feel accomplished after putting in hard work and effort. And I must say, this might be my most impressive invention yet. I mean, has there ever been a moving cake at steak place before?
There was that one in the car.
Okay, well, what about one that can fly?
Ooh, I wanna try. Look at it go.
You killed Woody.
Okay, I will admit that was very reckless of me and I will dock some nice points for myself. But I'm gonna preemptively put myself back up as we are now going on a quest to recover him. How nice, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, everyone. To bake a proper cake, we must. Sus, bossy blob dibble despot. Why don't we let Needle take the lead? Fine. All right, Needle. How should we bake this cake?
Golf ball, how should we bake this cake?
To bake a proper cake, we must first decide on the flavor. There are dozens of different cakes we could bake, so let's make sure we find one that is extravagant.
Black Forest, does it?
We will be baking a Black Forest cake. For this recipe, we require chocolate and cherries. Fiery Coiny Ice Cube Nickel, you four will collect chocolate. Ruby Yellowfish Gelatin Rocky, you four will collect cherries. You're sticking me with my enemy, my opposite, and Nickel.
Now wait a second. What is chocolate?
Chocolate is brown and yummy.
Oh, okay.
And what is a sherry?
Stupid gel head. Cherries are red and delicious.
Got it, Major Morning Breath.
What? Okay, everyone, disperse. The remaining 6 of us must all focus on the baking of the cake. Fries and Bommy, you two will be tasked with creating the frosting.
Get digging, Bommy. The ingredients. Oh!
Pencil, needle,
Yay!
and pin. You guys will work on the base of the cake.
Sounds good.
Oh, and let me guess, you're managing the team or whatever. Oh, pshaw. I'm doing the most crucial step, preheating the oven. If the oven is not precisely at the correct temperature, then the entire cake will fall flat. Enough tossing! Did you vote for needle or tennis ball? I gave you what you wanted, didn't I?
We will not stop flinging horrid sludge. We love sludge as much as fudge.
Are you guys taking some notes? I need to tally up the votes.
We won't obey a tyrant book. Wanna see evil? Give her a look.
Stop, stop, stop!
We will not.
Stop, stop, stop!
Bossy bot.
Will anybody care?
Not this lot.
Will anybody help? Hello?
Follow the twin blue stars.
What does that mean?
Follow the twin blue stars. 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 Follow the twin blue stars.
We're here. Time to recover my bestest BFF friend in the whole wide world. Type his name, TP.
There's no keyboard.
Oh, my tree. Well, I'll go find it.
I've always wondered how these things operate. Maybe I'll take a peek-sees.
Oof! Found the keyboard. Hey, where'd TP go? He ditched me, didn't he?
Help! I'm trapped! Get me out of this thing! Get me out! Get me out!
Quiet, HPRC. Now is not the time to malfunction.
Ooh, the inner workings of the HPRC. Oh boy, I can't wait to see how this machine rebuilds our bodies whenever we die. Golfo always told me the meaning of life could be discovered in this.
Be quiet.
Follow the twin blue stars.
I'll need you guys. I'll definitely need you. And I'll need you. Okay, Florilegium. I need to follow some blue star thing. Where's that? To the left? Not left. Got it. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. 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 Left. Right. Left. What is this place? Flory Legend, do you really need me to cross that gorge? Fine. Season 1 historic relic. Maybe I'll need advice from someone who completed this challenge.
Get mixing, Bommy! The ingredients are definitely in this bowl.
Okay! Just gonna turn to the right!
Wrong! You gotta turn the frosting to the left!
No, right!
Left!
Right,
Left!
right,
Left!
right,
Left!
right,
Left! 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 Left!
Okay, Hansel and Pinsel.
Don't call me that.
The base of the cake is a sponge cake.
Did you say spongy cake?
Spongy, 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 spongy. Haha, I can't wait to eat tons of sponge.
Okay, first I need some eggs. Thanks.
Oh, you want an egg fight? I'll give you an egg fight. Except I don't have any eggs, so take this.
Now I need flour.
Yeah.
I need butter, and sugar, and milk, and cocoa powder, and vanilla, and cake mix, and cake.
Whoa, there's people in this thing? What are you doing here?
We are the operators of the hand-powered recovery center.
We? Ah, scary!
Don't worry, they're friendly.
You're lying!
Well, Tennis Ball may have ditched me because he's such a forgetful friend, but I'm sure he means well. I can help him out by recovering Woody myself.
Somebody save me!
Time to type his name. TV, be quiet for a sec. Gotta do my duty.
That's a useless duty.
Shush! The operators are about to initiate the recovery.
Woody, you're back to life.
So that's how the HPRC works? I thought it involved something more technologically advanced than this.
Hey, GB, these are red and delicious. Are these cherries?
Wait, no, those are apples.
Darn!
These are red and delicious. Are these cherries?
No.
Darn!
No, Rocky, that may be red and delicious, but that is just a ball.
This is red and delicious. Is this a cherry?
No, that is... Ah!
This is brown and yummy. Is this chocolate?
You three, put that junk here.
Why?
Because I'm at war.
Okay.
Coiny, put that sod right in this pod.
Huh?
Put the dirt in the slingshot and help me fire it at pencil.
Hold it! I thought we agreed to keep the peace, for Nadel's sake.
Put the thing in the thing right now!
Okay.
Hey, wait, weren't there 4 of you getting chocolate? Where'd the other 3 go?
Oh,
Ah! Too fast!
they're playing.
Whatever. Fire!
Fire!
I think that's everything. Time to mix. Someone get me a spoon.
Got one.
Yay! Mix, 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 mix.
Yes, I saved Fiery. Oh, excuse. Actually, I was trying to save Fiery. I need advice from Season 1's winner.
I see. Understood.
Okay, let's try again. Yes, I saved Fiery.
Thank you.
Wrong person again.
But I am fiery. Just look at my... Oh!
One more try. Yes, I saved Fiery.
No, you got me again.
You know what? You're a Season 1 veteran. You'll do.
What do you need?
The fate of BFDIA rests in my hands right now, and I need your help.
Well, I'm kind of useless. And so are you at driving. What do we do?
Both of us jump at the count of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Phew. Okay, Ice Cube. I brought you here because you're a Season 1 veteran. Do you remember how to cross this obstacle course?
Of course! I remember crossing this like it was yesterday. Whoa!